Hello and welcome to Elif's kitchen. Today, I want to share with you a recipe for soft, cotton-like akma with olives, with perfect consistency and measurements. To be informed about my new recipes, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications by pressing the bell. I placed 2 fresh yeasts into the mixing bowl. Then, 3 tablespoons of granulated sugar. I add 2 cups of lukewarm water. I stir until the yeast dissolves. 1 cup of liquid oil. 2 egg whites. I reserved the egg yolks to brush on top. I added some flour on top. I add about 1.5 teaspoons of salt. I will add 1 kilogram of flour. I will add the flour gradually. That's about 8.5 cups. I am kneading my dough, adding flour little by little. Look, you can see the consistency of the dough. It should be soft but not sticky. My dough is ready. I cover it with a plate and let it rise for about half an hour. Meanwhile, I am preparing my filling. I pitted about 200 grams of black olives and processed them in a food processor. If you prefer, you can also use ready-made olive paste. But this way, it tastes much better. Look, my dough has risen after half an hour. I place it on the counter. I briefly knead it to release the air. Dividing it into tangerine-sized pieces. I am forming the dough balls. The dough balls are ready. Without waiting, I start rolling out the first dough ball I made. I put some liquid oil into a bowl. I roll out the dough, occasionally dipping my hand in liquid oil. I also lightly oil my dough. I spread about 1 teaspoon of olive paste on it. I roll it up into a spiral shape. I set it aside and prepare my other dough in the same way. Then, as you see in the video, I combine both by twisting them around each other. I give it the akma shape. I arrange my akmas on the baking tray lined with parchment paper. I repeat the same process until all my dough is used up. Look, my akmas are ready. I have 2 egg yolks. I brush them on top with the help of a brush. I spread the egg yolk gently, without pressing. I sprinkle black cumin seeds on top. You can also sprinkle sesame seeds or leave them plain. I let them rest for about half an hour for the second proofing. Tepsi mayasi. Look, they have risen quite a bit after half an hour. It would be better if you let them rest in a warm environment. But if you are doing this in a cold environment, you can let them rest for up to 1 hour for the second proofing. Half an hour was sufficient for my akmas. I put my akmas into a preheated 250-degree oven. I bake them until their tops are golden brown. I just took them out of the oven. I baked them for about 15 minutes. My very soft akmas. They are ready. Look, you can see their softness, they haven't cooled completely. Look, I want to show you the inside too. This akma really turns out wonderful. I recommend you try it. You will love it when you do. You can also see the inside. Good luck to those who will try it, and bon appétit. I await your likes and comments. Thank you for watching my video.